Good morning, students. This is Swati Kumari from USCD DAV Public School, and today I am here with the practice book, and you have to do the unit 2, that is the sentence. Before beginning the chapter, let us look at the major points which is to be used in a sentence. Okay? Here are some of the key points you should remember. Okay? Sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. Okay, what is a sentence? Group of words which makes a complete sense, that is called a sentence. Either you make a complete sense or not, that won't be a sentence. Okay, we should form always group of words which will be meaningful. It should be meaningful. Okay, it has two parts. First is the subject and the second is the predicate. What is a subject? To know subject, you should know that subject denotes the person or thing about which something is said. Whatever about whom you are telling, it is the important for the subject. About whom. Second, predicate. What is said about the person or thing denoted by the subject. If there is a subject, he will talk something about the other thing, about something. What is said is to be remembered in a predicate, while using a predicate. Subject is always a noun or a group of words that does the work of a noun. Okay, it will be always a noun. You can find the subject by knowing which is the name in a sentence. Suppose, birds fly. Here birds, we are talking about birds. He works hard. He is the subject. Swimming is a good exercise. What is a good exercise? It is swimming. Okay. Likewise, when we come to the one more segment, it is the enlargement of the subject. About subject, when we know, we should know this one also. Enlargement of the subject. Enlargement means to extend. किसी चीज को बढ़ाना. Okay. Sometimes the subject word is qualified. Subject word, whatever the subject is. Sometimes the subject word is qualified by an adjective or some words or group of words that does the work of an adjective. Okay. When an adjective word is used with a subject, it is called the enlargement of the subject. Okay. Enlargement, when said, it is also called attribute. Always remember this, attribute. Okay. Moving further, for example, here you will see, lazy boys fail. Lazy boys fail. And his father is not here. Okay. These two sentences we will be seeing. Here see. It is divided into subject and predicate. Okay. Now, this is the number. Subject word. Which subject word is being used in these sentences? The attribute which enlargement has shown. Okay. And the predicate. Now see. Lazy boys. Which type of boys? Which is the subject? Subject word is the boys. We are talking about the boys. Boys is the subject word. Attribute. What is enlarged? Which type of boys? Lazy boys. Lazy, and predicate is fail. In second one, his father is not here. Who is the subject? What is the subject? Father. Okay. Whose father? His father. It is special, enlarged one. So, attribute is his, and is not here is the predicate one. Okay. Now, you can understand. This is the subject part. Now, the predicate one. Predicate one is also enlarged, but enlargement is not told here. Okay. Predicate can also be qualified. Qualified. Remember this word, qualified. Predicate can also be qualified by an adverb or a group of words doing the work of an adverb. It is called extension. Enlargement or extension, it means the same. Okay, but extension with predicate, enlargement with subject. Okay, extension or adverbial qualification. For example, you can see, she sings sweetly. The teacher spoke in an angry way. She went home. We will be watching this in a table. Okay, see. Which is the subject word? The subject word in the first sentence was she. Okay. Attribute is not given. Nothing is behind or in front of she. So, it will be blank. Verb is sings and the adverbial qualification. What is the extension? How does she sings? She sings sweetly. Okay, sweetly is the adverb. Now in the second one, the teacher spoke in an angry way. Teacher is the subject. The is the attribute. It is being attached with the teacher. What does she do? Spoke. And how did she spoke? In an angry way. Okay, manner, adverb of manner. Now, in number 3, she went home. This is the third one. What do we see? Subject is she, attribute is not given, verb is went, and adverbial qualification is home. She went. Where did she go? Home. Where? Adverb of place. Okay. So, when we have understood this much of thing, you can see in the chapter that here in worksheet 1, you have to write down the subject, picking up the subjects from here, and you have to write the predicate over here. Okay. So, this one will be done by you all, and you have to remember all the major points, such as Helen Keller, this will be the subject, and was born in Alabama is the predicate. You have to differentiate and write it over here. This will be your exercise for doing. Okay, hope you understood this unit, and let's meet in the second video. Thank you.